Hello and welcome to Clement Book Review, where I review books on self-help and autobiography. If this is your first time on this channel, please consider subscribing and sharing this video with the people which will benefit the most. On today's book review, we're going to review a book called The Richest Man from Babylon from George S. Clason. So, we're going to talk about 5 lessons or 5 takeaways, which if you were to read this book or if you already read it, just these 5 lessons alone will give you a sense of what the whole book is about. So lesson number 1 is paying yourself first. What Joyce says about paying yourself first is when you get your paycheck, the first thing you do is take a portion of your paycheck and put on the side for savings. So you save that money. That's how you pay yourself first before you pay all your bills or go shopping, whichever you do with your money. Just make sure you pay yourself first. Lesson number 2 is save at least 10% of your money. So you will say, okay, 10% is a lot. I can't do that, and I understand. So if you can save 10%, at least you can start from 1% and move your way up to 10%. As we all know, when you start saving and you see your money stacking up in your bank account, it gives you a sense of confidence that you can even save more, because now all of a sudden you know that you can do whatever left over, so you can build your way up to that 10%. So wherever you're comfortable starting with, you can start from there. And lesson number 3 is invest your savings. So lesson number 3 is the money that you paid yourself first, and the 10% you put away, you invest that money into something. So what can you invest our money into? You can invest your money into real estate, a friend's startup business, or the stock market, or you can bet on yourself and start a business on your own and see where that will take you. Whichever way you go, whichever one works out best for you, that's the way you should take. So lesson number 4, he says that get accredited education. What he means about that is, if you will put 10% away consistently for 3 to 5 years and you have a amount of money sitting there and it's time to invest that money, why not take at least 3 to 4 months and educate yourself about the place you're going to go put your money, doing your research, buy some books, read about it, talk to people that has already done what you want to do. So at least they help eliminate most of the mistake they made. And I think it makes sense if you're going to put your life savings somewhere. The least thing you can do is educate yourself before you put that money there, before you end up losing all that money that you just saved. And lesson number 5, he talks about being able to delay gratification. What he means about that is you have to be impatient. That way, the things you want now, you're patient when you can pay yourself first, and you can put that 10% away. You invest that money, and you get your education. In the future, the return, the residual income you're gonna get from that. At this point, you'll be able to take some of that money to buy the things that you want to buy now. And I can't summarize this part. The best way I can say is that Zig Ziglar has a quote that says that you ought to do what you got to do now to be able to do what you want to do later on when you want to do it. Basically saying that if you save that money and you've been getting interest on your money, or your residual income wherever you put that money coming back, now you can take some of that money to do the things you want to do in life, the finest thing, or maybe you want that beautiful car, even though you don't need it, but you're going to make you feel great. You can take some of that money now and you'll be able to afford it without cutting off a chunk of the money that you don't have if you were to do it now. So delaying gratification is just waiting for the right time to get what you want. But in the beginning, if you're going to start saving, it's going to take a lot of work and a lot of discipline for you to be able to do that. I hope this summary helped you, and please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.